Hey everybody, John with Owl, and I have been working on this project for a long time, and I'm really excited, like always, to show you what we've got just in time for Christmas, really. Our timing couldn't be better. Now there's a term. I was a motorcycle racer, and they always say you dress for the crash, not the ride. And what they mean by that is you want to make sure you have the right gear for when something goes wrong, not for when everything goes right, because that doesn't really require much gear. Now over here, I'm gonna set you down on this tripod. If you don't know where it is, it's in your passenger footwell. So let me show you that first. I don't know if this van is locked. Cool, it's not. We never lock our stuff at Owl. So if you wanna come steal our vehicles, they're in our showroom. So, oh, look at that, all clean. We spare no expense here at Owl. So in here is your factory bottle jack. And I've said it many times on my videos, if you have not checked your factory bottle jack, check it. I would say I'm running about a 30% does not function on the factory bottle jacks. And most people don't realize that until they're out on the trail. They pull the bottle jack out because you need it, because you have a flat, and you go to use it and it doesn't work. And one of the bad signs that I just had, because I just pulled this one out of my Echo, is all that oil in there. So when you've got a bunch of oil leaking out of this thing, that's never a good thing, because there's seals that try to keep the oil on the inside. So this is the factory bottle jack. Now, one of my pet peeves, and according to my wife, I have many, is that nobody ever made a nice bottle jack. We have gorgeous high lift jacks, hydraulic jacks that will lift up Jeeps and Grenadiers and all these things, but bottle jacks have always been that really cheap kind of Kragen Auto $30 special type of product. So I hooked up with Mark over at Mojab, who makes beautiful gear, and I said, let's design a bottle jack that has the fit and finish of what we want in these vans. It's gonna be reliable, and also it's gonna go up high enough that when you have a lifted vehicle like this one that's even additionally lifted, ooh, sneak peek of the box, additionally lifted because it's on this incredibly real rock. I had this rag for the oil on the stock jack, but check this out. All right, you're on the tripod now. Look at this. It looks like I'm carrying the nuclear codes. I wish I was that important, but this is the new Owl bottle jack. So we have spared no expense. Instructions, you can't even see my head. I'll get closer. Now you can't see both. I'm gonna have to get down here on the floor with the thing. It's like kindergarten again. All right, so you got the instructions, so you don't chop your finger off. Don't chop your finger off. That makes tire changes slower. Now, we've talked about these before. In fact, I did a video of how to notch these out to fit your factory bottle jack. Well, this one's cool because it works with high lift jacks, but it's also, you see you've got a little recessed circle in there, and that little recessed circle is for this, which is the base of your bottle jack, and that index is right in there. So this is for dirt, so that when you're lifting your vehicle in mud or sand or dirt or whatever, the jack doesn't just go straight into the ground instead of lifting these heavy vehicles. So that's kind of layer one. I'm gonna tilt this down a little more. I feel like I'm like in a spy movie and I'm putting together some sort of like cool spy stuff. God, this is so cool. I got so excited I showed everybody in the office. This is the brand new Owl bottle jack. I so wish you could see this in person and feel it and touch it. It is all machined aluminum and steel and beautifully anodized. Notice, no oil on it. Why is there no oil on it? Well, maybe because the oil is on the inside where it should be. But this is only the beginning. As they say in QVC world, but wait, there's more. So one of the problems with these is getting them high enough to lift a van like the one behind me. And so this is your base. This is gonna screw right into the actual bottom of the Owl bottle jack. And then remember that round base that we had? So this is gonna work on most surfaces. But again, if you are in sand or muddy surfaces, so there, now you've got an extension on the bottle jack. So this can now index into there and you can start to lift. Now you can lift with just this by dropping this in. Now on to pet peeve number 2. Again, sorry, Mercedes, I know you don't make your money off of the bottle jacks that you put in your vehicles, but this is better off as a wind chime. I have always hated these really cheap feeling handles with these really cheap little wires and everything like that. So what we did is we made a handle that's all machined aluminum, or machined steel. It's super strong and it doesn't bend and it screws together. So instead of having that dumb little clip that hurts your fingers, and I'm very delicate, I can't be bothered to hurt my fingers. I mean, you can do damage with this. This doubles as a way to keep people away from your van when you're at the gas station. No. So this thing, then, look at, we recessed the valve. See that? So it's protected, so it doesn't get bumped. So then you can open and close the valve just like you would on any bottle jack. And to get this thing super duper high, you've got this extension, and then you've got this pin that is attached with a cord. You drop it right in there, and then, oh my God, it works. That's what a functional bottle jack is like. So you can keep going on this, and already, I mean, this is, look at this height compared to the vehicle behind me. As I slide this back. So that vehicle has a 2-inch lift on it. This vehicle has a 2-inch lift on it, and it's up on a rock. And look at the height. We haven't even begun to lift this bottle jack. And you've got just, I mean, at least another foot of travel in this thing. Again, most important to me though, everything is quality. Everything, this is rubber coated, so it's not gonna damage anything. It is every detail, even the plastic molding on the base is really nicely done. This is, in my opinion, exactly what I wanted out of a bottle jack. And it doesn't just work for vans. Vans are incredibly heavy, so bottle jacks are great, but this works for really any off-road vehicle. And I like getting a jack under the car because some of the jacks that come off the side can be a little bit tippy and it can get a little bit dangerous. And then, but wait, there's more. So this comes with this beautiful carrying case. It's gonna keep all of your parts in there. But I understand that vans are packed pretty tight with stuff and things. I have lots of stuff and things. So what you can do, I gotta turn my valve and lower this thing. Okay. So now I made the jack as little as possible. This is your stock foam. Personally, I'm gonna keep everything in the box that this comes in. But if you don't want to, you take your stock foam. Well, first you wipe the oil out of it from the previous jack that resided in there. And then you take your handy dandy knife and you take this and you can take, let's put this right here. So you can see that this basically fits with the exception of the height of this portion here. So you can see where there's a molding in the foam right here. We're gonna cut right along that upper ridge right here, and we're gonna cut straight. First I'm gonna cut straight down, and then I'm gonna cut across. Don't cut your finger off, just like I said, not to cut it off with the jack. Don't cut it off with the knife. Do this at your, what do they say? At your own risk. I sharpen my knife every day, but of course I didn't do it today, so you can watch me struggle. Because what good is a video if I'm not doing something dumb? So I cut that out. Now you can take your bottle jack. You can't really fit the third part in there, but if you wanted to now stash just these two parts somewhere, you could, or 3 parts, but you could also have just kind of an MVP, minimum viable product, residing in your factory location. So that, my friends, is the brand new Owl bottle jack. Never have I been, if my wife saw how excited I got over a bottle jack, I might be looking for a lawyer. But these are available. They're supposed to be from the supplier to us next week, which means we're gonna put these on sale. And just because I like you so much and it's such a good Christmas gift for any overlander off-roader in your life, we are gonna offer free shipping on these so that you can have them before Christmas. But you gotta order early. There's no overnight, no free overnight. You're not getting that out of me. Free regular shipping. You want that overnight, you're gonna have to wine and dine me. Bottle jack, available now. It's awesome. Check it out in person. We're gonna ship these to our off-roads as well. And I have a feeling once you're able to see the quality in this jack, it's gonna be a no-brainer. Hope you like it as much as I do.